Okay, so you need to push down on this piece right here. If the edge guard is blocking it from pushing down, which it is in this case, just move it slightly to the left, and then you'll be able to push this piece down. Push and hold it down, and then slide the edge guard over the top of that, like that, and just keep on pushing slowly, and the edge guard should lift out. Just be careful this piece here doesn't catch on the drop detector. To put it back in, you just put these two pieces in the grooves and then pull it back to the left until it goes past that clip.